Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're on a Yamaha RS 125. It's 2-stroke single cc little or 125 little bike. It's a 1984, I believe. Yeah, 1984 bike. It's in reasonable condition. We do have a condition overview of the video of this bike also. This one's just going to be more so on the drive along. See how she runs and so on. Hopefully I'll be able to get her first kick now. Easy, just turn her on. She has a bit of a knack. You need to kick her and a slight bit of revs as well as you do so. Hey, there we go. Nothing better than getting it first time, eh? So she's riding very, very nicely. Admittedly, I was on her for the last day and a half. She had been sitting, so when you get these old bikes sit, they don't like it, you know. They need to be ridden a bit every once in a while just to keep the carbs going and so on. That lovely 2-stroke power band in there. Not much, but it's still there. A little ding 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 is addictive, you know. And we'll get her up. She's going through the gears nicely. Second, third, fourth. There's only 4 gears on her, but you don't really need much more. Come down into third, don't need to be in fourth. Toddling along here now at 60 kilometers an hour, very nicely, no problem at all. We're just below the power band here at 6,000 to 7,000 revs. Very hard to find these RS 125s in the right condition. I believe in the condition video I did say it was an SR 125. It was just little dyslexia coming into play there. Try to get around this traffic here. We're going to be turning right here now, so let's get in here. That's the joy of these 125s. Look how easy it is. Just filtering in and out, getting to where you need to go. I don't think the lights will be too much longer now. I see been at these lights so much. I know when they go green. They go green in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, 2 seconds. Right. Try to get it better next time. Alright, we'll take it easy. But yeah, we're doing a bit longer video this one than the other one. I'm not putting the two together. I've only really started doing that. I'll only do the two together with the condition video and the ride along video when the new bikes start coming in, so a new listing. This one though is separate, so we'll do the longer way around. She's stopping very nicely. That front brake, thank God it's a disc and not a drum. Even though the drum or the disc technology when this came out wasn't all too fantastic. Nice little handling bike too. As you can see, when we turn left here now, just enjoying being on her. As I say, it's nice to drive a slow bike fast rather than a fast bike slow. If you get yourself onto a 600 or a 1000, like I've been on the VTR, the CBR 600 lately, and it's just, you can open half it and then you're just doing stupid speeds, you know. There is a thrill to it, I do get it, but it's nice getting on these little things, being able to chuck them around and do all sorts. We'll turn in left here and do the brake test. And immediate right. Getting up to 50 kilometers an hour. Nothing crazy. I'll try the back one. They're not too bad in fairness to it. 1984. I'm not going to be expecting all too much. Hopefully not run this child down. But yeah, I'm having a great old time on this thing. I love it. I went round As I said, I've been driving it for the last 2 days, getting used to it. These old bikes, they have knacks to them, you know. You need to get used to what they like and what they don't like. Like the starting, you have to give her that little bit of rev at the start, otherwise she doesn't want to start, which is fair enough. She's 1984, she's allowed to have her few quirks. She gets a few eyes as well. That lad was staring at her. It's just the ding 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 of the two-stroke. People love it. As you can see, I'm riding her well as well. I'm not going soft on her or anything. I'm riding her as if I'd ride any old new bike as well, you know, in a way. Yeah, I'm not taking it too easy on her now. Banging down the gears, going up through the gears, revving her out. The old workshop here, or the old stomping ground of retro bikes Dublin, on the right hand side here, side cartridge stop, which seems to be getting, is it closing down? No, just getting a few new bits and bobs in. McCormick's pub, ding 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 ding, I love it. That's it. I think I'll filter to either, I'm not sure, I think it might let you just listen to the engine. Shut up for a second, just listen to her for a bit as I filter through here. Alright, now we'll skip it through. Okay, we're through those lights. Try to get in past. You know what? I'm going to leave this earner driver alone. I'm not gonna. I don't think it is. It might be. I think it is the instructor having an apple on her brake. Okay. Oopsies. That's been the Yamaha RS 125 two-stroke single. If you have liked the video, please do leave a like. Also comment down below what you think the RS 125s, and finally subscribe if you haven't already.